Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable firewall for Zbtlink router. And to do this you will need to click on the three lines on top of the screen. Now go for the advanced setup, and by the way you'll need to open the configuration website to manage this, and I've shown you previously on how to do it in the first setup video about this device. Now inside there's a firewall, enable it, and by default it should be on. You can click on that again to turn it off, and this will also leave all of the settings turned off as well. Make sure to save it, and as you can see the settings have changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.